Hi, I'm Mike Kubicek, an application engineer with Worldwide Electric. This is a series of videos to go over the wiring and configuration of the WDG2 drive. This is a 1 horsepower unit. This drive goes up to 30 horse constant torque and 40 horse variable torque. All demonstrations are on a 1 horsepower unit, but the wiring and configuring is the exact same across the entire horsepower range. In this video, we will show you how to wire in a normally closed stop button, a normally open start button into the WDG2 drive for a 3-wire start-stop operation. To take the cover off, loosen the cover screw and then you can remove the cover. To start with, we'll be taking our common wire from the drive from terminal CM out to both of the push buttons. Then from the normally open start button, we will bring that back to terminal P1 for our forward run command input. Then we will wire from the normally closed stop button to the second input terminal, which we have already set for the 3-wire start-stop operation. We are now set up for a 3-wire start-stop operation on the WDG2 drive. Remember, this video is not a replacement for the product manual, and please follow all applicable safety procedures before commencing any work.